Hey there, tech enthusiasts and nostalgia buffs. Today, we're diving into a fascinating development in the smartphone world that's got me super intrigued. You see, there's this new Android smartphone on Kickstarter that's bringing back the good old tactile QWERTY keyboard, and it's already smashing its funding goals. Now, I know what you're thinking, wait, aren't all modern phones sleek glass touchscreens? And that's exactly why this Kickstarter campaign is so intriguing. It's a bold move to bring back the physical keyboard, harkening back to the days of BlackBerry dominance. The Titan II Elite, crafted by the Chinese manufacturer Unihertz, is a pocket-sized powerhouse. It's got a full backlit keyboard, customizable keys for shortcuts, and even the ability to use the keyboard as a mouse. It's like they've taken the best features of BlackBerry and given them a modern twist. What makes this really interesting is the timing. With BlackBerry discontinuing its mobile line a few years back, this new phone is a nostalgic throwback. But it's not just about the past, it's a sign of a potential shift in the market. People are craving something different, something that offers a unique user experience. In my opinion, this campaign's success shows a growing demand for variety in the smartphone market. It's a reminder that not everyone wants the same glass touchscreen device. Some people, like me, crave the tactile feedback and the unique experience a physical keyboard provides. Now, let's talk specs. The Titan II Elite comes in two versions, the Standard and the Pro. Both have impressive features like a 4.03-inch AMOLED screen, dual cameras with impressive megapixels, and a long-lasting battery. The Pro ups the ante with more storage and a powerful chip. One thing that immediately stands out is the pricing. The standard model is a steal compared to the latest iPhones, and even the Pro is competitively priced. Unihertz is offering a unique, feature-rich device at a reasonable cost, which is a refreshing change in the smartphone market. This campaign's success also highlights the power of Kickstarter. It allows innovative ideas to find an audience and gain traction. Unihertz is tapping into a niche market and offering something truly unique. So, what do you think? Are you ready to click-clack your way through your next smartphone experience? Or do you prefer the sleek simplicity of a touchscreen? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.